Hey there, my friend. Sandy with Sandy and Company. And I just wanted to tell you about how we helped our friends up in Marysville that we just helped them sell their house, and we helped them avoid a major sewage backup in their house. They had bought their house from us about 13 years ago, and the last couple years they had to put a new roof on, and they had to clear out their crawl space because of rats and water, and put a sump pump in. And every time they started getting a little bit ahead in their savings, something happened to the house and they had to put it right back in. So they're getting close to retiring, and they knew that their income wasn't going to go up much further, and they need to downsize. They needed to stop taking care of so much square footage and the yard and all of that, and just get to something that was much more manageable. So they called us up, and we did what we do. I went through the house and gave them a small list of things to take care of. My contractor came through and did a repair on a section of siding, and they're like, when they saw the bill, they said, was that it? They're used to everything they'd repaired in that house before had started at least $1,000. So that was a big relief to them. They knew they had one shot to get ready, so they had everything spiffed up, did exactly what we asked. We brought our photographer in. We actually did some video and put it out on YouTube to showcase their home, so that everyone who was looking for a one-bedroom house just above the Cedar Crest Golf Course was going to know that they were there and they should come take a look. And that's what happened. We listed their house, just blanketed the area with social media and with marketing, and we made sure that everybody took a look at that house who should. We got them in 4 days. We got them 5 offers all over the listing price. And they weren't afraid of doing an inspection because they knew they'd already brought everything up to snuff. So we took an offer that was well over the asking price, went ahead and had an inspection. What they didn't know was that there was a root ball that was growing in the front of the house, right underneath an old garden bed area, but there wasn't even a tree anymore. Yet that root ball had grown so big that it broke the pipe. And so they were so relieved that they hadn't waited yet one more year to sell their house and get out from under it. And then they would have had a big sewage backup into the house, dealing with all of that damage and paying for it. They were super relieved. And they were quick to get repaired for their buyer so that they could have a stress-free, move-in ready home that they had paid $20,000 over asking for, because it was the right thing to do. So now they are actually in an apartment, and they are super excited. They're gonna rent for a couple of years, do some traveling, and when they settle down and figure out exactly what they're looking for, they'll give me a call, and we'll take a look at some condos in the area so that they can both travel and move around, be close to Seattle for the music scene, be ready for retirement life, and being comfortable with a budget that they know that they can handle. So who's the next person you know who needs the pressure of home ownership to go away, or the pressure of the big house to go away, so that they can get down to the house that they actually want to use and love, so that it's less pressure, less hassle, less price, and more joy? Please share this video with them. Let them know that we'd love to come alongside and help them in their next adventure, so that we can get them into that next chapter with a home that really fits for them. If you found this video helpful, please follow or subscribe, hit that button. And if you need real estate help in the greater Seattle area, call or text me at this number here, or message me directly, and we will be glad to talk with you about what we can do to get you into the home that fits you, serves you, and brings you joy. Have a super blessed day, and I'm excited to talk to you soon.